Have you ever tried planning a vacation with 15 people in a group chat? Between conflicting budgets, different schedules, and everyone's highly specific food preferences, you hit a wall of absolute gridlock almost instantly. Decision experts actually have a name for this exact kind of headache. They call it an unstructured problem. Think about a math test. That is a structured problem. There are clear rules and exactly one right answer. Unstructured problems are messy. They involve human opinions, shifting variables, and multiple potential paths forward. You can't solve human preferences with a standard formula, which is why your group chat keeps going in circles. Now, imagine swapping out that group of friends for a corporate board trying to fix a collapsing supply chain, or city planners dealing with a sudden power grid failure. Leaders facing those massive stakes can't rely on a chaotic text thread. This framework shows how advanced systems map out these exact scenarios. Looking at the bottom section, the strategic objective here is specifically designed to handle those messy, unstructured problems. Without a structured way to sort through all that complexity, large organizations freeze up entirely. To get unstuck, organizations use a decision support system, or DSS. Think of a DSS like a highly specialized digital assistant, rather than a normal internet search engine. This map illustrates how a DSS works. The central system plugs directly into the organization's history. Look at the nodes feeding the center. The system pulls from internal data, previous decisions, and expert databases, drawing everything into one place. By organizing thousands of scattered data points, the DSS gives a decision maker a single, clear source of truth to work from. But massive challenges rarely fall to just one person. As you can see in this model, the base decision support system on the bottom expands upward, linking to a GDSS. That stands for Group Decision Support System. It operates like a high-tech meeting room, built entirely to manage human dynamics. This box defines what it does: an interactive system built to help groups navigate tricky, unstructured problems. It enforces two main principles, shown below. It must be democratic, giving everyone an equal share, and participatory, ensuring ideas find a compromise. By structuring the conversation, the system ensures the strongest ideas rise to the top, rather than whoever happens to be speaking the loudest. This diagram lays out the core components of these sessions, broken into three pillars. First, physical hardware, computers with audio and video tools. Next, software, including brainstorming tools and electronic questionnaires. Finally, people, including decision makers, tech support, and one specific role, the facilitator. If we look at this process cycle, you can see the facilitator highlighted in gold. They are a neutral guide whose entire job is to control the software tools and keep the group focused on the objective. Combining robust computing tools with focused human leadership allows a group to move toward a concrete conclusion, even when the initial data is messy. Think back to that stressful vacation planning chat. Now imagine putting those same 15 people into a GDSS environment. Opinions are submitted anonymously to prevent bias. Budgets and schedules are processed instantly, and the group votes without talking over each other. As shown in the bottom left of this flowchart, all of that filtered input flows into a single consolidated file, giving the team one clear action plan. By clearing the technical noise, the software leaves the final choice exactly where it belongs, with the people who have to live with the decision. Whether you are a corporate executive trying to avoid a massive supply chain failure, or just a friend trying to book a beach house, having a lot of information isn't enough. You have to bring data together, set up the right digital tools, bring in a neutral guide, and trust the process. Understanding how to organize human input provides a structured path through the messiest of group debates. Technology's greatest power is its ability to support our judgment, giving us clarity when the world gets complicated.